Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm back with a bread recipe that is great for everybody. Okay, you're watching your weight, you're diabetic, and you're worried about flour, okay, or gluten. You are going to be free with this recipe. You can have this recipe and have no guilt. Okay, it is made of red lentils and it came out incredible. Okay, before we waste any more time, let's dive into it. Let me show you how simple it is to make. The ingredients we need are 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of cottage cheese, and 1 cup of red lentils. Okay, I use the same measuring cup for the cottage cheese. So I'm going to soak these lentils overnight. Okay, you can also soak it for at least 2 to 4 hours. Okay, but mine is going to be soaked overnight. Okay, these are the simple ingredients that we need: a blender, and that's it. After soaking the beans overnight, this is how it looks. Now we're going to rinse it off, okay, and take all the water out. Drain all the water out. The beans are draining. Let's now move to the baking tray. Spray it a little bit in. You can use any oil for this. I'm using avocado oil just to base our pan. In the meantime, my oven is preheating at 350 degrees. Parchment paper at the bottom so it easily comes out after baking. Okay, so now that we've drained everything, we're going to add everything into the blender all at once. Okay, 2 eggs go in, cottage cheese, olive oil, baking powder, and the salt. Now that's all we need. I'm gonna add in a little bit of black pepper. You can add in any spices you like as well, coriander, whatever spice you like. Okay, I'm gonna crack in some black pepper as well. There you go. Now let's cover and blend. There you go. This is exactly how we want it. Let me show you the consistency. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now we're just gonna pour it halfway onto our I'm using this mini baking pan. You can use a loaf or whatever pan that you prefer. There you go. Now into the oven it goes at 350 Okay, this is a preheated oven. It goes in at 350 for 40 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Let's take a look at these goodies out of the oven. Ooh. Just look at how wonderful these came out. So good. All you gotta do is put in a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you know it is perfect. Just look at that. These came out incredible. I wasn't expecting this. There you have it. Enjoy bread without having to worry about anything. Okay, these are made of lentils, so healthy and good for you. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.